Hey guys, so we're going to show you the LED lights. So it's still, as you can see, it's getting brighter as it gets dark. So that is one of the lights. And the other one over here, as it senses, it picks up, it gets brighter. So as the motion picks up, it will get brighter. So overall, they're really nice. Hello everyone, today we're checking out LOFTEK's solar motion sensor lamp. Let's go ahead. I know when it comes to solar videos, you guys like jumping right to seeing it in action, so I'm gonna try not to waste your time. This is a 2-pack. This is what it looks like. This is how it gets mounted. So let's pretend this is your outside wall. It would get mounted just like this on the wall. 2 spots for screws. Up top here is the solar panel. So you got the solar panel on the very top. Motion sensor here. You have your mode right here. So as you guys can see, we have the panel covered. So it's acting like it's at night. It's your on and off switch right there. It's a nice warm color, so it's not overly bright. And it is going to be motion censored. Overall, very nice. So we're going to go ahead and set that up outside. There are 2. It's very basic, very simple setup. They provide you the lining holes for drilling. Super simple. So you just place this. Let's pretend this is your wall. Place this up where you want it. Drill your holes. And then all you have to do is put the screws in the holes and then line it up, and that's it. It's very simple. They make this extremely easy that anyone, and that's right, I say almost anyone, could do this. So let's go ahead and install them and show you what they look like installed. Hey guys, so we're going to show you the LED lights. So it's still, as you can see, it's getting brighter as it gets dark. So that is one of the lights. And the other one over here, as it senses, it picks up, it gets brighter. So as the motion picks up, it will get brighter. So overall, they're really nice.